and welcome to our news show about blizzards. My name is Anna. In today's news, blizzards. What are blizzards? Blizzards are winter storms. There is lots of snow, high winds, and cold temperatures. In a blizzard, everything looks white. How do they start? Cold air meets warm air and forms snowflakes. The snow fills the sky. Wind blows snow into drifts. Temperatures drop and clouds are full of moisture. Where do they happen? Blizzards happen in northern places. They can happen in Minnesota and places it can snow. It is only in cold places like the South Pole. Effects of blizzards. In a blizzard, people's skin will freezes. If people are driving in a car in a blizzard, they can get in an accident. People get stuck for a long time, even forever. Stay safe. For Brimhill News, this is Anna signing off.